Alright guys, Mike Simon here with the small block Chevy 350 rebuild. What I did is picked up this cheap Bosch oil pressure gauge. I picked up the oil pump prime tool, set up my line so I can see my pressure as I'm trying to bleed this out. Been going for 5 minutes and I'm finally starting to get some of a couple of them here. I'll show you as I turn this. Oil pressure gauge will go up. And you can see here, you can see it start to bleed out. So what I'm going to do is run this until I can see that the oil's pumping out through all. Doesn't look like I have anything on this side yet. But like I said, it was really cheap. This was like 15 bucks from Advanced Auto. The tool I picked up off Amazon, which was a Proform. It was 20 bucks. And it just sits right down in there. You take the distributor out. I just cut a small tube here, have it hanging from the air filter. And I'm keeping an eye and making sure this isn't blowing oil all over the place. I'm just doing it fast enough to make sure oil is pumping up through each one of the push rods coming out. This will ensure that the engine is primed with oil, so you're not cranking it at the first start, and it should fire up no problem. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get this bad boy running. Getting good oil pressure here. I'll show you how it's leaking through.